Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's Emmanuel here, and I'm here with another video on crypto mayors, Tokero crypto mayors. So this project actually has been ongoing for over 3 months now. It's backed by Tokero, of course, which is the exchange, Tokero exchange. As you can see right here, they just announced that the second year in a row, Tokero has been crowned the best crypto exchange in Europe 2025 at the Crypto Expo EU. So basically, this project, some of you might be familiar with this project. It's backed by ICE. It will be listed on ICE network. So in this video, I'm going to be covering the current update on the project, and of course what we will be doing in order to secure allocation, because the listing and TG and listing is around the corner. So basically that's what I want to cover right here. So basically don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and of course you can join our WhatsApp community, which is currently what's showing on the screen right now, to actually participate in our discussions during weekends, where I open the group to interact and I post everything about the airdrop, so you wouldn't want to miss out, of course. So like I said, this exchange owns crypto mayors, and today I opened my app to actually mine, and I saw the first verification. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the first verification. Firstly, what you have to do is open the app and then click on this place right here. So once you click on it, once you tap on it, so there's something that will pop up. So I'm trying to do it. So this is disturbing, so let me just do something else. Try to update the app from Google Play Store. So I'm going to search for Tokero crypto mayors. I'm just going to search for crypto mayors basically. So what I will do is search for crypto mayors. Okay, so I will update the app. As you can see right here, they said I should update, so I'll update the app. So I'll wait for a while. After it updates, I will open it and see what will be the next step for me to take in order to show you guys how to actually complete your first verification. First verification is the signature of ICE network. So if you participated in ICE, of course you should know that's the way it works. And if you don't know what ICE network is, ICE is like a blockchain. They just launched their mainnet about 2 months ago. So these projects are actually listing on ICE network. ICE is a blockchain, like I said. So these projects are very good projects, lucrative. They are going to give you a couple of cash, of course USDT, that's what I mean, you get. All right, as you can see now, they said I'm up to date, so I will have to check the change log to see the new things that they have actually updated. All right, so guys, this is very good news. I don't know how to put it, but of course this is a very big news. So after updating the app, I actually observed this. They said enter your Solana address here. So firstly I will do my first verification. So I'll click on this place. This center button is no longer working. Okay, so I will accept the terms, and after that I'll click on continue. Okay, so actually I cannot screen record while doing the first verification, so I have to pause. Okay, so the next thing you do is select your country first. So I'm a Nigerian. I'm going to search for Nigeria. All right, so you follow these guidelines. All these things are written down here, so you confirm. Okay, you have to stay in a good place for the video to work. It will take you to another website where you can do your KYC. So let me just you give it permission to your camera, of course. After I give it permission, that's when I cannot continue anymore, so I have to turn off the screen record. So now I've completed my first verification, and as you can see, I've got this green tick rather. So I'm officially verified, and my account is now verified, and I'm eligible for the airdrop. So the next step would be to connect my Solana wallet, which I will cover in the KYC video. So that's it for now. I'll be uploading a video very soon covering that particular topic. So stay tuned, guys, and see you on the next one. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do that right now, and of course like this video, and of course you can also join our WhatsApp community where we discuss everything.